Hello, kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On this video, I'm going to show you how I made this Filipino dish called Beef Afritada, or it's a beef stew. This is a combination of tomato sauce and coconut milk. I'm going to cook this using my favorite kitchen gadget, the InstantPot. So we are going to cook this beef stew using this InstantPot. This is one of my favorite kitchen gadgets, so if you could buy one, I know there's a lot of them on sale right now. Grab yourself one. This is a lifesaver. I'm gonna do a review on this InstantPot. This is my second one. I did bought one from Amazon before, and it was the generic brand, and it didn't work that good. And so I found this during the Prime promo. And I like this one. It's a little bit pricey. I will put the link down below, but this had been a lifesaver. I truly like this InstantPot, and I've been making, I think, more than almost 10 recipes using this. So after that, I'm gonna do a review. So let's get started, and here's our ingredients. So first, we are going to marinate this beef stew meat. We have soy sauce, we have vinegar, also gonna use a garlic salt and some Himalayan salt and black pepper. So all we have to do is combine everything together in a mixing bowl. I recommend marinating this. If you have plenty of time, marinate this for about 30 minutes to an hour. So just mix all the ingredients and combine everything, and then just cover it and let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes or an hour. And here's our full ingredients. We have the marinated beef, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, black pepper, green and red bell pepper. We also have bay leaves, garlic, onions, beef bouillon. I'm going to use coconut milk and shrimp paste. You could substitute that with fish oil, Himalayan salt, garlic salt, and some cooking oil. And here are the complete measurements of the ingredients, but you could balance this out, depends on your liking. First things first, set your InstantPot into saute mode and then add the oil. When the oil is ready, start cooking the meat. Cook the meat until the color changes. This took me about like 2 minutes. This equipment will heat up really fast, so you gotta watch it out. And then after that, when the meat is ready for the color change, add the garlic, the bay leaves, the onions, and the green and red bell pepper. And then all you have to do is mix them together until combined. Again, this is up to you. Some people will just put all the ingredients together in one pot and just leave it like that. I like to do mine into a stage by stage process. Also add the beef bouillon. I'm just using like a quarter of the size, basically 1/4 of the cube. And now I'm mixing the tomato sauce into a warm water. This is 1/2 cup of the warm water and tomato sauce. Just mix them nicely and then just add it to the pot. Again, mix them until combined. I prefer mixing them as before I pressure cook them. I'm adding a shrimp paste, just a 1/4 teaspoon of the shrimp paste. You could substitute that if you have a shrimp bouillon or maybe a fish sauce. Adding the carrots and the potatoes. Season with garlic salt, pepper, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar, and then the coconut milk. And now again, mix them all together until combined. Don't worry about the seasoning because you could always adjust this later on. You still have time because the sauce is still going to be nice and warm. Hit the cancel button to program it to meat or stew. Make sure the lid is locked. And once it says on, it is cooking. So all you have to do is wait. Make sure you have it on the ceiling. The valve is on the ceiling. So when it's done, release the pressure by moving the valve into the venting. When all the pressures are gone, slowly open the lid. And there is the beef afritada or beef stew. This is the time you could taste this to adjust the seasoning. Depends on your liking, guys. I like mine the way it is. Just follow that measurement. That should be closest to the perfect taste. So this is done. This is ready to serve. I recommend serving this with a white rice or toasted sourdough toast. Serve it right away while it's nice and hot. This is perfect for a cold weather. It's getting cold here in the States, so this is a perfect recipe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. If you have questions about the Instant Pot, leave me a comment down below. Again, buy one if you have access to one. I recommend buying one. If you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly please click that subscribe button and also hit the bell button so then you get notified if we have new videos. I appreciate you guys for watching our videos and stopping by, checking our videos. Until next time, thank you everyone. Ciao!